Hey everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where we spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. In this video, I am going to show you the newest Sew Sampler box. Yeah. I love these monthly subscription boxes by Fat Quarter Shop, and once again, I'm going to focus more on the notions than the fabric, and if there are any that need a further demo, you can expect that from me. So let's crack open this box. Got my scissors, haven't opened it yet. Oh, look at this. Sweet as cherry pie. Oh, I love it. September 2018. Sew Sampler. What a sweet deal. The double wide Dresden book, 30% off. You can get some coupons, a double wide Dresden ruler. You can buy both. You can get a mini keychain. So every time you get one of these, you can expect unique coupons and deals, which I think are super duper rad. Okay, so this is what is in it. Ooh, I'm really excited about this box. Bada Bing Charm Pack by Me and My Sister Designs from Motive Fabric. Cherry Pick and Finishing Kit. A double wide 4-patch Dresden template and a 28mm stick rotary cutter. Rad. I needed another one of those, so super jazzed. Members only deal. There's that. There's a quilt pattern. And then the barn block recipes, number 6. So that is what is in this box. So, look at this. This is a charm pack. It looks like there's some backing for the project in it. Bada bing! Bada 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 bing! Bada bing! And then this is the Cherry Pickin' Me and My Sister Designs. That is something I believe you can use the charm pack for. So, the finished quilt is 14.5 by 42.5. So that's like a table runner or like a wall quilt. Totally rad. Shows you the process of making this fun. Look at boom, boom, boom. Love it. And then what is the other? The barn block recipe. Ooh, that's a neato mosquito block. It's kind of askew. Looks like it has some decorative sashing potentially for the overall quilt. Oh, what a fun thing. Okay, hi. Look at me, Fiskars. 28mm. I'm gonna open this one up. Yeah, I am. Boom, let's cut something. Dude, demo in action. Boom. Like magic. I love it because the smaller you get, the more you can get around curves. Let me get one more and just show. Like you can do the curves. Like you can go boink, boink, boink. So you definitely like, oh, look at that. Flawless curves, y'all. You definitely need all the sizes of every tool and notion that there are. And I didn't have one of those. Then a double wide 4-patch Dresden template. This looks like something that you can also use in this pattern. It goes with it. Then I'm gonna use this on its own because I haven't done like Dresdens and stuff, and I'm actually super curious about this. I might do one of these in my new fabrics because Aura is coming out soon, so I think that that would be perfect too. So yeah, good job, y'all. Fat Quarter Shop. No need to demo any of these. It's pretty self-explanatory. Love these notions, and I'm super duper jazzed about like all of the patterns. Like even if I don't plan on making a pattern, I always like to read through them because each one, it says things a little bit differently and the language is a little different, that it allows me to understand other patterns more better. More better? No, more better? Better? Better, just better. Okay, so yay for this September 2018 Fat Quarter Shop. Boom, boom, boom. Sew Sampler monthly subscription quilting box. Hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and enjoy your life, y'all. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.